Have you ever noticed how some guys just have great hair? It's not luck, it's what they're using. This is what makes the difference. If your hair falls flat, if it feels lifeless, or just won't hold shape, this is exactly what you've been missing. Let me show you. So right here, we've got a shorter, flatter hairstyle. No volume, no texture, pretty much just sitting there. Now, watch what happens. So this is my crafted sea salt paste. It's not just for styling your hair, it's actually building up volume in your hair. When you open it up, you'll notice right away, it's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's that perfect, almost light clay-like consistency with a smooth breakdown. So take a small amount, that's all you really need, and work it through your hands evenly. This is where the magic starts. As soon as it hits the hair, you will feel it. Instant grip, but flexible. Now, look at the difference. We're getting volume at the root, natural texture throughout, and movement that doesn't feel stiff or locked in place. You can shape it, push it, break it apart, and it still holds, and that's the key, pliability. For finer hair, this gives you that thicker, fuller appearance. It actually makes your hair look like you have more of it. And for thicker hair, it controls everything without weighing it down. So you're getting structure in your hair without losing that movement. Now, let's take it a step further. On a longer, more textured style like a mod cut, this is where it really shines. You can separate the layers, enhance the flow, and create that effortless, lived-in look. Nothing looks forced, nothing looks overdone, just clean, natural, controlled texture. And on top of that, it smells incredible. You've got those fresh citrus notes right up front. Bergamot, grapefruit, Sicilian lemon, balanced out with sandalwood, and a finish of warm base of musk, amber, and cedar. It's subtle, but it is incredible. Bottom line, this isn't just a styling product. It's a complete upgrade to how your hair looks, feels, and moves. More volume, more texture, more control, and hair that can actually look healthier anytime you use it. I highly suggest checking it out, and you can get it on my online store.